Good morning, first grade. I wanted to share another geode with you from our Module 2 Wit and Wisdom. So I'll go ahead and read it and you can follow along. And then I'll also give you the link in the seesaw activity so that you can access the book yourself and you can go ahead and read the digital copy on your own. All right, this is called Super Spiny Mouse. And you can kind of think about how these geodes have been related in showing us different animals and how they protect themselves from their different predators. So remember, we read the vervet monkey that makes different sounds, different calls to alert the other members of their monkey family when there is different types of predators there. And then we also read the smells, tells, where the animals use different scents as a way to give different information. So you can kind of see how this particular text compares, how it's alike and how it's different from the other geodes that we've read. This is called Super Spiny Mouse. A cat can hiss, a crab can pinch, a skunk can stink. What can this mouse do to stay safe? He is small. He fits in your hand. He is a spiny mouse. Here is a snake. She hunts for lunch. Is Spiny out of luck? No, his hair is too stiff to munch. She skips this snack. He is safe, but not for long. Flap, flap, flap. Here is a hawk. She grabs his tail. Is Spiny out of luck? No, she snips his tail. His tail pops off, but he can still run. He is safe, but not for long. Shh, shush, shush. Here is an owl. She plucks him up. Is Spiny out of luck? No, she chomps a chunk. He sheds that patch of skin, but his skin will mend fast. It says bare spot, scab, new skin and hair. A snake can hunt, a hawk can grab, an owl can pluck. What can this small mouse do? He can stay safe. And the more says, some reptiles and amphibians can grow new body parts, but most mammals cannot. 2 species of African spiny mice are the only mammals known to be able to regrow body tissue. The skin of these spiny mice tears easily, but it also heals very quickly. In just 1 day, an injured spiny mouse can heal more than half its wound. Wow. Within 3 days, a spiny mouse covers its wound with new skin. Within 3 weeks, it can grow new hair. For some wounds, the spiny mouse can even regrow cartilage, a strong, flexible tissue found in body parts such as ears. Some scientists are intrigued by this speedy recovery. They study spiny mice to understand how these mice can heal so quickly. Scientists hope to apply their findings to improve healing in humans as well. All right, very interesting. So I hope you enjoyed that geode. Pretty interesting what the spiny mouse is able to do to stay safe. So go ahead and feel free to read the book on your own for some practice, and then you can just send this activity back when you're all finished. And I hope you enjoy it. I'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks. Bye.